In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to write proposals that actually get noticed, win clients' trust, and help you stand out from the crowd. I'll also share examples of what works and what doesn't, so stick around until the end. I've also got a bonus tip that you probably won't find anywhere else. Hello friends, I'm Margaret. I have been working as an independent freelancer with overseas clients worldwide for over 12 years, and freelancing is my full-time career. Let's get back to today's topic in the series. Freelancers often focus on skills, but the real game changer is mastering the art of landing projects. It's not enough to have skills. You also need to know how to win projects. On freelancing platforms, the toughest part isn't the work itself, it is actually getting the job. And that starts with writing a winning proposal. A common mistake most of us make while writing proposals is talking all about me, my skills, my background, but not about the client's problem. This is the approach we need to flip. Let us take a look step by step. Step 1. Understand the job post. So the very first step is to carefully read and understand the job posting. Most freelancers just skim the job post and then they write a generic response. But clients often hide little details in the description to test if you are paying attention. For example, a job post might say, include the word pineapple in your proposal so I know you have read this. Miss that and your proposal goes straight to the trash. So, before writing anything, highlight key details. What the client wants, the skills needed, deadlines, and budget. Step 2. Start with a hook. Here's what not to write. Hello, my name is John. I have 5 years of experience in graphic design. I can use Photoshop, Illustrator, and Canva. I am very hardworking and I can deliver your project on time. Please hire me. This is the kind of proposal clients see 90% of the time. It is generic. It is focused only on the freelancer, and it doesn't speak about the client's actual needs explained in the job posting. Instead, open by addressing the client's problem directly. Let's take a look at this example. Hi Sarah, I see you are looking for social media graphics that really grab attention and boost engagement. That's exactly what I've been doing for brands like such and such company, where my designs increased click-through rates by 25%. To help with your project, I'll create a set of bold, cross-topic posts that match your brand style and deliver them in ready-to-use formats for Instagram and Facebook. Could you share a bit more about your target audience? That way, I can tailor the designs to really connect with them. See the difference? It's about them first, you next. This proposal talks directly about the client's goals, provides proof with a past result, and ends with a simple call to action. That's the kind of proposal that stands out. Got the point? Step 3. Show relevant experience. Now, once you have got their attention, back it up with proof. Don't just list your skills. It is important to show relevant experience. If the job is about blog writing, share a quick link to a blog you have written. If it's about web development, mention a similar project and explain the result. Such as, in my previous project for a tech startup, I redesigned their landing page, which improved signups by 30%. Notice over here that it's not about everything you have ever done. It's about the one thing that matches what they need. Step 4. Use samples or create them. Now, here's a critical point. Proposals are much stronger when you attach samples or portfolio links. If you already have samples or a portfolio, be sure to include them. Clients want to see proof, not just promises. But what if you are new and don't have samples yet? The solution is simple. Create your own samples. If you're a writer, draft a couple of blog posts on trending topics. If you're a designer, create a mock brand logo set. If you're a developer, make a small demo website or app. These personal projects still count because they show your ability. These become your starter portfolio. Don't wait for clients to give you work. Build 2-3 fake projects that show your skills. Well, I put together a freelancer proposals toolkit With plug-and-play templates, you can copy, paste, and customize with client details. It also includes filled-in samples for different niches so you can see exactly how a strong proposal looks in practice. Feel free to use these in your proposals. You can download the toolkit for free. Simply leave a comment, then check the video description to get your copy. Step 5. Keep it short and structured. Clients get dozens of proposals. They don't have time to read an essay, so use short paragraphs, bullet points, and clear structure. A good format looks like this: greeting plus hook, relevant experience with proof, how you will solve their problem, call to action. That's it. Keep it around 200 to 300 words. Enough to show value, but short enough to respect their time. Step 6. End with a call to action. Always, I repeat, always end with a call to action. This invites the client to take the next step. For example, I'd love to hear more about your project. I look forward to a quick call with you. Or, if you share more details about your goals, I can suggest the best approach. It sounds simple, but proposals that end without a clear next step often just die out. Step 7. Add a personal touch. Remember, clients want to work with people, not robots. Add a touch of personality. Maybe mention something specific from their job description or even their company. Such as, you could mention something like, I noticed your company focuses on eco-friendly products. I think that's fantastic, and I'd love to help you share that story with a wider audience. This shows you're not just copy-pasting proposals. You care about their project. Step 8. Be open to being offered a small task to test compatibility. This is, of course, optional. In your proposal, you can say, to make sure you're the right fit, I'd be happy to start with a small paid sample task. That way, you can see my working style and quality before moving forward with the full project. Now, why it works? Because clients feel safer. They are not risking their whole project budget on an untested freelancer. Secondly, you show confidence. Offering a test implies you believe in your skills, and it opens the door. Even if the client doesn't hire you for the full project, you gain a portfolio piece. At least it creates an opportunity. Now, a few important tips to consider over here. Make sure you say paid test, not a free test. Free work devalues your skills and can attract the wrong clients. Set clear limits, such as a writer could say, I can draft the first 300 words of your article as a sample. A designer could say, I'll create one concept design or mock-up. A developer could say, I'll code a small feature or demo version. Frame it positively. Present it as a way to test compatibility, workflow, and communication style, not because you're inexperienced, right? Step 9 is the bonus tip I had told you about in the beginning of the video. I personally always use this. In your proposal, it's always best to address the client by their name. For example, hi Mark or hi Emily. If the job description includes the client's name, that's perfect. If not, there's a couple of smart ways to find it out. Number 1, check past reviews. Look at the feedback other freelancers have left for the client. There's a good chance their name appears there. Number 2, visit their website, if mentioned. Often you can find the business owner's or contact person's name on the About or Contact page of the website. Taking this extra step demonstrates your attention to detail and makes your proposal feel more personal, which instantly sets you apart from generic applications. Now, what if you're unsure of the client's name? Use a polite, professional greeting instead of guessing, such as, hi there, or hello. Focus on personalization elsewhere. If you don't have their name, show you have read their post carefully by mentioning a project detail right away. For instance, hi there, I'd love to help with your project on redesigning your Shopify store for faster loading. The idea is better no name than the wrong name. A wrong guess looks careless, but a warm, personalized greeting, even without the name, still feels professional. So, to recap, understand the job, start with the hook, show proof, keep it short, end with a call to action, and add a personal touch. That's it. If you apply this formula, your proposals will stand out and you'll start winning more jobs. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face when writing proposals? Drop your answer in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss honest freelancing tips. Gain practical insights from a seasoned freelancer with over a decade of hands-on experience working directly with offshore clients. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video in this series.